The amber or orange flashing light on your EE router is a critical indicator that something needs your attention. This light serves as your router's way of communicating connection problems. When you see this amber light, it means your router is experiencing problems establishing or maintaining a stable broadband connection to EE's network. Different amber light patterns indicate specific types of connection issues. Understanding these patterns helps you identify what's wrong. A slow flashing amber light with 1-second intervals typically means your router is actively attempting to establish a connection to the broadband network. A fast flashing amber light with half-second intervals often indicates authentication problems between your router and EE's network systems. A continuous amber light means your router has established a partial connection but cannot provide internet access to your devices. An alternating amber and red light pattern usually indicates a more serious issue, either a hardware malfunction or a fault with the phone line itself. These amber light issues can stem from various sources. Network maintenance by EE, problems with your router hardware, or incorrect configuration settings can all trigger these warning lights. By understanding these different amber light patterns and their meanings, you can better identify what type of connection issue you're experiencing and take appropriate action. When your EE box shows an amber light, follow these systematic troubleshooting steps to restore your internet connection. Step 1. Power cycle your router. This simple process resolves most amber light issues by allowing the router to establish a fresh connection with EE's network. Step 2. Inspect all cable connections. Loose or damaged cables are a common cause of amber light issues. Check that Ethernet and phone line cables are securely connected. Step 3. Check EE's service status. Network outages or planned maintenance in your area can cause amber light issues. Visit EE's service status page or check their mobile app. Step 4. Try router reset options. If basic troubleshooting hasn't worked, you can perform either a soft reset through the admin panel or a factory reset using the physical reset button. Step 5. Perform line testing. Use EE's automated line test service to check your connection quality or test the dial tone on a connected phone to verify line integrity. Finally, know when to contact EE support. If the amber light persists after following these steps, or if you experience recurring issues, it's time to get professional help. EE's technical team can diagnose line faults and hardware problems that require engineer visits. Following these systematic troubleshooting steps will resolve most EE box amber light issues. Remember to be patient during the boot process and don't hesitate to contact EE support if problems persist.